Okay guys, so while I was taking down my bubble ponytail, I thought, what if I tried the jumbo braid on this style too? So if you guys watched my previous video, then you know that I did 12 pieces of Marley hair. I wrapped it around the way that we normally would, then I wrapped 3 additional pieces around the base. And once we do that, we're here. If you guys don't know how to, apply the Marley hair, then you can look back at some of my older videos or my last one. Just go ahead and watch that last one if you haven't watched it yet. Just to knock all of this out, so you get to this point, then come back to this video if you have to. So you can actually open up another tab and do that. So yeah, once you get to this point, then follow along. So what we're going to do, I'm going to add a little gel to that. I've been adding gel to it today. So I'm about to try something and see how it turns out. So I'm going to separate that into 3 sections right nicely. And I'm going to begin braiding. What do you guys think of this braid here? Does it look nice? Does it look a mess? Okay, so I'm pretty much down to the bottom. I'm gonna take my comb and oh, well, I did it with my nail. Step that back up through there. I'm going to fold that, wrap it around a few times. Take a rubber band to wrap it around there, and we're good to go. I've actually never worn a jumbo braid, y'all. Like, these are styles that I've never worn. It looks so neat. I think that I did a great job of braiding it. Very neat. These are all styles that I've done, in low ponytail styles. So I'm really I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it a whole lot. I'm gonna try something with this one. We're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to, let's see what I'm going to do in order to add this and accessorize our braid. First of all, I want you guys to get a good look at the braid without anything, if this is the look that you're actually going for, because we could possibly make a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my pictures in prior, just in case I make a mess, okay? We'll be back to accessorize this braid. Okay, I got my pictures. This is a creative process. Sometimes we just try things and we see how they work. So yeah, once I got that down in there, I'm gonna take a bobby pin. I'm gonna stick it in there. And that's going to hold that in place. And you see how perfect that looks? You see that? See how that looks, girl? Okay. So we're just gonna start off wrapping it around real nice, you know? Something like that. I think this would be a really cool style for kids. You know, if you have a daughter and she's new to like doing her hair and you really want to make it fun for her as she learns, you know? I said I was gonna stop saying that. Oh. But yeah, I think that this would be a cool idea to incorporate accessories as they learn. Okay, now it's time to get fancy. It's hard to do this when I can't see exactly what I'm doing. It makes this process harder than it actually is. Okay. I think it looks really cool. Pretty awesome. Okay, I have a lot of string left over, so I'm just gonna start here and I'm just going to wrap it around. Just pack it on that area right there, just like that. And keep wrapping it. Trying to wrap it neatly. Now the question is, how am I going to close this up? How are we going to close this up, Channing? We're going to go to the end of this rubber band. Gotta do what you gotta do. I thought I would be able to tuck it, but I wasn't able to, so I'm just tying a rubber band around the end. And that's that. So it looks like this. And this is our really cool galactica ponytail. If you want to take it a step further, you can add some of those little things right there. But I feel like that would be doing entirely too much. Entirely too much. So we're just gonna stick to this right here and call it a day. But how do you guys like it? So that wraps up our tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hopefully you like it. If not, it's okay. It's okay. Hopefully someone else likes it. Hopefully you're able to use this style for someone else. That's what I meant. But thank you guys so much for watching again. I will see you in my next video. Bye.